Okay, girls, so here I am with the recipe ready to work. So the ingredients are flour, chocolate, baking powder, salt, oil, and milk. Okay, let's read the steps. So the first one is put inside the microwave. The second one, mix dry ingredients. The third, set microwave in 2 minutes. Next, add oil and milk. Look for a mug to put dry ingredients into. Mix everything until it's smooth and enjoy with your bear family. So let's see. Maybe put inside the microwave is the last one or one of the last ones. Mixing. Well, before mixing, we need to know something else. Setting the microwave is together with the first one, maybe. Add oil. If we're going to add, we need something to add to. So maybe this is number 1. Look for a mug to put dry ingredients into. Okay? So the dry ingredients would be the flour, the chocolate, and the baking powder, and of course the pinch of salt. Then maybe we need to mix them. Mix the dry ingredients would be number 2. Then we would be adding number 3, oil and milk. What do you think? Then maybe we need to mix everything until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Number 4. Set microwave in 2 minutes. 5. Put inside the microwave. 6. And we microwave it and enjoy it with your bear family. This is the last one. Okay, what do you think? It looks good, right?